What is a common symptom of obesity? A. Decreased appetite. B. Unintentional weight loss. C. Increased energy levels. D. Excessive body fat accumulation. The correct answer is D. Excessive body fat accumulation. What effect can a force have on a moving body? A. It can change its direction. B. It has no effect on a moving body. C. It can only increase its speed. D. It can only make it stop. The correct answer is A. It can change its direction. At what temperature does carbon dioxide become a solid without changing to a liquid state? A. -570 C. B. 250 C. Circa 1000 C. D. 00 C. The correct answer is A. -570 C. How many electrons does an atom with the configuration 2, 8, 7 need to gain to achieve a stable electronic configuration? A. 4. B. 3. C. 2. D. 1. The correct answer is D. 1. What are galaxies described as being collections of? A. Hundreds of satellites. B. Billions of stars. C. Thousands of asteroids. D. Millions of planets. The correct answer is B. Billions of stars. How many parts per million by weight does the atmosphere contain carbon dioxide? A. 320. B. 30. C. 300. D. 3000. The correct answer is C. 300. What occurs in the reproductive system of both males and females when sex hormone production increases? A. Menstruation. B. Ovulation. C. Puberty. D. Fertilization. The correct answer is C. Puberty. What happens to the mass of the total system during a chemical reaction? A. It is halved. B. It remains the same. C. It decreases. D. It increases. The correct answer is B. It remains the same. What term refers to the methods used to remove unwanted substances from ores? A. Evaporation. B. Crystallization. C. Distillation. D. Separation of impurities. The correct answer is D. Separation of impurities. What is the meaning of the Sanskrit word pragyan as used for the Chandrayaan-3 rover? A. Knowledge. B. Wisdom. C. Rover. D. Explorer. The correct answer is B. Wisdom. What is the primary reason human testes are located outside the abdominal cavity? A. For protection. B. To facilitate hormone production. C. For temperature regulation of sperm production. D. For sperm motility. The correct answer is C. For temperature regulation of sperm production. What are rivers, reservoirs, lakes, and tanks examples of? A. Surface water sources. B. Underground water sources. C. Agricultural water uses. D. Industrial water uses. The correct answer is A. Surface water sources. Who proposed that the sun is at the center and all planets go around it? A. Aryabhatta. B. Ptolemy. C. Aristotle. D. Nicolaus Copernicus. The correct answer is D. Nicolaus Copernicus. What type of reaction is the burning of a matchstick? A. Nuclear reaction. B. Displacement reaction. C. Physical reaction. D. Chemical reaction. The correct answer is D. Chemical reaction. If the supply of fresh air to a burning candle is removed, what is the expected outcome? A. The candle will produce less heat. B. The flame will become blue. C. The candle will burn faster. D. The candle will extinguish. The correct answer is D. The candle will extinguish. The text provides approximate temperatures for which states or processes of water? A. Critical point and triple point. B. Sublimation and condensation. C. Melting and evaporation. D. Freezing and boiling. The correct answer is D. Freezing and boiling. What happens to the biceps when the arm is lowered? A. Become rigid. B. Contract. C. Relax. D. Stretch. The correct answer is D. Stretch. If an area previously had no forest cover and trees are now being planted there, which practice is being implemented? A. Conservation. B. Afforestation. C. Deforestation. D. Reforestation. The correct answer is B. Afforestation. What is a key feature of bryophytes? A. They are naked seeded plants. B. They have closed seeds. C. They are the first true land plants. D. Gametophytic thallus is their dominant phase. The correct answer is D. Gametophytic thallus is their dominant phase. Which nitrogenous base links with guanine, G, in DNA? A. Cytosine, C. B. Adenine, A. C. Uracil, U. D. Thymine, T. The correct answer is A. Cytosine, C. Where is Dr. G. Ramesh an assistant professor? A. GHSS, Wanganur. B. Dr. Ambedkar Government Arts College. C. Bharati Women's College. D. University of Madras. The correct answer is B. Dr. Ambedkar Government Arts College. During photosynthesis, when is oxygen produced? A. When CO2 is fixed. B. All of these. C. When ATP is converted to ADP. D. When H2O is splitted. The correct answer is D. When H2O is splitted. Fish and liver are good dietary sources for which nutrient deficiency? A. Iodine. B. Vitamin C. C. Calcium. D. Iron. The correct answer is D. Iron. Which of the following compounds has a cyclic carbon chain? A. Propane. B. Ethanoic acid. C. Ethanol. D. Benzene. The correct answer is D. Benzene. What is the purpose of an ammeter in the resistivity experiment? A. To measure current. B. To measure voltage. C. To measure length. D. To measure resistance. The correct answer is A. To measure current. What is the shape of red blood cells? A. Cube-shaped and irregular. B. Spherical and flat. C. Star-shaped and pointed. D. Biconcave and disc-shaped. The correct answer is D. Biconcave and disc-shaped. What is a listed method for protection against abuse? A. Rehabilitation. B. Prevention. C. Medication campaigns. D. Body weight maintenance. The correct answer is B. Prevention. What is T's role in Panchgavya? A. It is a biopesticide. B. It is a component of Panchgavya. C. It is used to repel insects. D. It is a soil amendment. The correct answer is B. It is a component of Panchgavya. What caution must be observed when mixing any concentrated inorganic acid with water? A. Add water to the acid slowly. B. Add acid to water slowly and carefully. C. Mix both simultaneously for best results. D. Ensure the acid is cooled before mixing. The correct answer is B. Add acid to water slowly and carefully. What is the percentage of oxygen found in water? A. 60 to 70%. B. 88 to 90%. C. 21%. D. 45 to 50%. The correct answer is B. 88 to 90%. How did you score?